Forget the tourist traps of Venice. Today we're exploring the hidden culinary capital of Italy's Emilia-Romagna region. Welcome back to Know Your Destination Food, the channel dedicated to finding the world's most authentic flavors. Ferrara is unique because its history was shaped by the Renaissance courts and a vibrant Jewish community, leading to a cuisine that is rich, sophisticated, and surprisingly easy to enjoy. Here are 5 legendary dishes you have to try in Ferrara, and the best spots to find them. First on our list is the pasticcio di macaroni, the crown jewel of Ferrarese courtly cooking. While some versions vary, the traditional noble recipe focuses on a rich beef or poultry ragout mixed with creamy bechamel and white truffle. It's a fascinating mix of sweet and savory. A culinary signature of the 16th century that still tastes like luxury today. For a refined version that highlights the beef and truffle flavors, visit Ristorante Quel Fantastico Giovedì. They offer a sophisticated take on local classics in a beautiful upscale setting. Next is Ferrara's most beloved pasta cappellacci di zucca. These are stuffed with sweet roasted violin pumpkin, nutmeg, and aged Parmigiano Reggiano. To keep it authentic, always order them burro e salvia, tossed in melted butter and aromatic sage. The sweetness of the pumpkin against the salty cheese creates a flavor profile you won't find anywhere else in Italy. Head to the family-run Trattoria da Noemi, where the pasta is still hand-rolled by grandmothers every single morning. For our third dish, we look to the nearby waters of the Comacchio lagoons for their famous eel, or anguilla. This isn't just a meal, it's a centuries-old tradition where the fish is marinated and grilled to smoky perfection. The rich, fatty meat of the eel is incredibly flavorful and serves as the perfect hearty main instead of traditional meat roasts. You can find expertly prepared eel and other local lagoon fish at Osteria Savonarola, right in the shadow of the castle. You can't have a meal in Ferrara without the world's most famous bread, the Coppia Ferrarese. While some traditional recipes use lard, many modern bakeries produce the all-olio version, made with high-quality olive oil. The 4 crunchy points, or horns, are perfect for snacking, while the center stays dense and soft. Visit Panificio Perdonati to grab a fresh one. It's widely considered one of the best bakeries in the city. We finish with the most historic dessert in the region, the Pampepato. Created by nuns in the 17th century, this cake is a rich blend of cocoa, nuts, and warm spices like cinnamon and cloves. It is completely meat-free and remains one of the most intense chocolate experiences in all of Italy. For the most authentic version, stop by Pasticceria Leondoro, located right in the main square. Ferrara proves that you don't need pork to experience the very best of Italian culinary history. Which of these Renaissance treats would you try first? Let us know in the comments. If you loved this guide to Ferrara, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more global food tours. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you at the next destination.